Hey everybody, it's Jamie from the Marine Doctor's YouTube channel, and today we're working on a 1973 50 horsepower Johnson. The customer complains that he has to squeeze the primer bulb in order to get the engine to keep running. He's replaced his fuel pump already with one that he purchased off Amazon. So assuming that it does work correctly, we need to look somewhere else. So I went ahead and checked out the usual suspects that I normally do, which would be spark and compression around 180, but on the lower one we're looking around 150. The pump itself is driven off the lower cylinder, so my next step is to pull that head off and make sure that that cylinder is indeed fine. Let's go. Okay, with the head off, we can go ahead and take a look at that bottom cylinder, and it's as I expected. We have damaged rings. You can see the depressions in the piston of where the rings have been smashed up and down, and we can also see them on the head itself. So unfortunately for this fella, as much of the carb work that he'd been doing and replacing his fuel pumps, and looks like he's put a new starter on here, he's been chasing demons, and the demon was this bottom cylinder. So very unfortunate when you come across things like that, but it is what it is. He spent a lot of time and he spent a lot of money on chasing something that he couldn't have fixed with anything external that he put on the engine. It's a good thing he eventually finally brought it in here so I could take a look at it for him. So remember, a compression tester is a great tool to have in your arsenal. It tells you a lot of information about what's going on in the engine. Even though the numbers may seem right, they could still be wrong. If you guys like these videos, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.